How to manage downloaded content on Podimo. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. If you're trying to manage and remove the downloaded content that you have on the Podimo platform, in today's video, let me show you how it's done. Let's head over to the app of Podimo. Once you're inside of the app, you'll need to head over to the library section, which is on the bottom right. Now, inside of the library section, if you don't straight away see the download section, you can scroll through on the top and then tap on the downloads option. This way, you're going to see all of the audiobooks or podcasts that have been downloaded on the Podimo platform. Now, in order to manage or remove this, you can just open up any download, and where it says downloaded, you can just tap on this option, and it says right here, this downloaded item will be removed from your device. Just tap on the remove option, and as easy as that, this particular episode of this podcast will be removed from the downloads list. You can also repeat the same process for other episodes as well. So that's all there is in managing or deleting downloaded content in Podimo. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.